Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can buy USDT on Coinbase. It's really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, of course, you want to create a Coinbase account, and then you want to start up the sign-up process. You basically need a valid ID, and you may be asked for proof of address in order to transact. So you know, make sure that you have those ready, and guys, verifying your ID, it will only take longer than a few minutes depending on where you actually live. And then you want to basically add a payment method. So you want to tap on the payment method box and you want to connect a payment method, okay? And you can use a bank account, a debit card, or initiate a wire. You have many different options. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to start a trade. So in the Coinbase.com, you want to select buy and sell. And on the Coinbase mobile app, you want to tap the plus, okay, which is the buy button on the home tab. Then, guys, from the list of assets, what you want to do is go ahead and pick USDT, okay? Pick USDT from the list of assets. So you want to go ahead and click on the buy panel and you want to search and select on Tether, basically USDT. And what you can do is just search in USDT into search bar and you will see that option right there, and you just want to enter the amount that you actually want to buy. Just input the amount you want to buy and that will basically convert it into a USDT. Then you want to, guys, go ahead and finalize your purchase. Okay, tap on preview buy when you're ready and you'll be shown the details of your purchase. Make sure everything looks good and then just confirm your purchase by clicking on buy now. And once done, guys, and once the order processes, you'll be taken to the confirmation screen, and boom, guys, you have basically bought USDT on Coinbase. So it's really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.